Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial from Outback Workshop, where today I'm going to show you how to successfully run the RVIS visualization for the ROBOTIS OP3. For those who don't know, the ROBOTIS OP3 is a bipedal humanoid robot where it operates on a ROS platform. The reason I'm starting this new video series is because I've seen on GitHub repositories and had a few emails recently with people struggling to run the features and the programs that are inbuilt into the ROBOTIS OP3. So I think these videos will be a good sort of cause to help everyone get up to scratch and operate the ROBOTIS in a better sense. Anyway, let's get straight into it. So open up a new terminal using Control-Alt-T. Now from here, every time you turn on the ROBOTIS OP3, it has a default service which is running, so we've got to turn that off first. So you can do so by running the following sudo command. Now if you haven't changed the password for the ROBOTIS, it should by default be 61, so just enter that in, or the password that you've changed it to. Now once it goes to the next line, that means that it's successfully stopped the service. And next we got to run the OP3 bring up. So we can do, and that's a package that's already built into the OP3, so we can run that by using Ros Launch. Now you can tab to automatically finish your sort of terminal command as well, if you want to use that. Now this package here runs in the background, so we'll open up a new terminal now and leave that running using Control-Shift-T. Now the next one is the actual visualization file, so we'll run that package as well, and that's also part of also part of OP3 bring up. Cool, so we'll run that. Now ROBOTIS have already set up a RVIS configuration file, which is what we're running here. So essentially this will automatically start the RVIS terminal with all the configurations already set for the ROBOTIS, as you can see in my terminal here. Don't mind the video stream, it is quite bright, and that's because the lab that I'm working in, the sun is coming through, so that's causing the glare to be quite high, as you can see. But essentially once you're running this, you can see the actual output of the ROBOTIS OP3 on the right. That pink circumference around it is actually the IMU output. If you go to image here, you can see that the configuration has already been set to the USB camera port, and that's outputting the image raw. Once you get further into it, you can start using the 2D pose estimate and the 2D nav goal, which will allow you to automatically set navigation points for the robot to walk to, but you will need to run this in correlation with the walking algorithms, but I'll explain this in a future video. So I hope this helped you guys out if you were struggling to run this. In the next video, I'll explain how to actually run the OP3 GUI, and when you run that, you'll be able to see how the actual different motions that you're running through that GUI actually affect the robot here. Cool, thanks guys, I'll see you next time.